The People's Democratic Party has called on security agencies to probe and sanction the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, over an alleged plot to derail the 2023 general election. The party also asked the President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, to call Tinubu and his party members to order to ensure a peaceful, free, fair, transparent, and credible electoral process. The All Progressives Congress Presidential Campaign Council has disclosed that it would be unfair for anybody to label the act of compassion shown by its flag bearer Tinubu and his running mate Chetima as bribery. Following this, President Muhammadu Buhari has met behind closed doors with the APC presidential candidate Bola Tinubu at his residence in the Presidential Villa Abuja. The Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi has accepted the resignation of his campaign organization Director General Doyin Okupe. What is your take on the money Tinubu is giving people?